how are you? So today we have actually I have a couple of boxes because I have not filmed any videos up to now and it has been a crazy month. So yes, I did my hair blonder, as you can tell. I will have basically my hair done for another video so you guys can see, but for now I want to open the first box. And yes, we are in June and wanna do the BoxyCharm. I had to open this one because it came really big. Like, I don't know, I thought there was something wrong with it. It was like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like open basically. So I had to open it to see if everything was there. But yes, this will be June 2018 BoxyCharm. This is $21. My husband gets it for me, and yeah, full sizes. So let's get to opening this beauty box. So first thing we see is that it comes with a little BoxyCharm. It tells you all the little things. I got the version 1, as you can tell there, and it's right here, BoxyCharm. So we're gonna open it, but I'm not gonna look through it because I wanna be surprised. So the first thing I see, ooh, Luxie brushes. So I have a set of 3 Luxie brushes. That is a Luxie 660, 522, and the other one is actually turned around 560. So they look like this, and they're really nice brushes. I actually like Luxie brushes. I know they're like synthetic, I know, but like they're very smooth to the touch. So that's a win-win. 3 of them, really good. So that on the side, and let's go into seeing hobby. So it says Caribbean Queen, and I've been doing this box a little bit different because I do 2 videos in one. So I do basically the makeup portion and the opening of the box in one video. So this is Caribbean Queen. We have the Luxie brushes. It says 3-piece flawless complexion precision foundation face brush, 660. Then we have the 522 and the 516. So basically makes it flawless finish, set eye makeup, under eye makeup, and then a blush and all that. This set of 3 costs $42, and I actually believe it. It has handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. I like that. They don't harm any animals. So the second thing is a curious little box that says Boddington lashes. So it's a lash, but look how it comes. It's really cute little box, and yeah, it's magnetic and everything. And look at that. It's only 1 pair of lashes. It comes like that. And let's see. This is Boddington Monroe Silk Lashes. So it's 3D multi-layer Boddington Monroe Silk Lashes. It enhances your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to the lashes. You can do allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. $28. Nice. I mean, I haven't used lashes since I did, like, I guess like my facial esthetician class, which I studied to be a facial esthetician, of course, and they, you know, they teach you how to put, of course, that you already knew, but this one are whole lashes. I really like the individual ones, which are way better. We have the next thing available is the Ofra lipstick, liquid lipstick, long lasting. Looks like this. It's like brownish, and this one is long lasting liquid lipstick in 1 step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture. Moisturizing, no need to use liner. Use this liquid lipstick and give beautiful edge to your lip look. $21. So that's nice. The next thing I see, I already know, but I haven't like really tested. So it says Sol de Janeiro. It's a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten smooth like no other. This one, it's really cute, and it's $10. It says Brazilian Bum Bum cream is inspired by Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. It's creamy and rich of guaraná, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the following helps your body look and feel smoothly stylish. Pistachio caramel leaves skin deliciously fragrant. $10. This little sample, I mean, obviously it's not for your whole body, or I don't think. It does smell really good. It smells, I don't smell the pistachio, but I definitely smell the caramel. The next thing we have, I see this thing, eyeliner pencil. This one is an eyeliner, has 903 dark brown, so it looks like that. I have gotten this brand before, and this one says waterproof eyeliner. 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or a waterline. $5. Not bad. And then the last thing, I think, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this month we got 6 things. So this is the last thing, and I think it's a palette. It says Alamar. So it's Alamar Reina del Caribe, means Queen of the Caribbean. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Nice, let's see. Ooh, this is really nice. Look at that. Those colors, I love them. I'm gonna have to be using them sooner than later. So one of them is La Costa, Melecon, Celia, like Celia Cruz, Tropico, Coco Taxi, Guantanamera, Cafecito. Okay, so that palette is $28. So it's not that bad. You can do it with wet and dry brush. So the amount of this box, I'm actually gonna do the right now. How much is this box? Comes out to be so the lashes and the palette are the same price, so it's $134. And so it's not bad. You pay $21 for the box. I get him, you know, my husband gets it for me, and he actually pays for it, so it's not like we get it for free and we're, you know, telling you about the box to go buy it. But I really enjoy this box, and actually I love that he gets it for me because it's like a gift every month. So that being said, I'm going to go into trying all these things into my face. So I don't have any I don't have any brushes that came to do my eyes, so I'm just going to use my own, and this one is e.l.f. blending eye brush. Let's see what other brush we have. This one is one of my favorites. It's a Luxie 249. It has 2 different brushes. Yes, even when I opened it, it did that. So I don't know if it's from an old thing or... Okay, so let's go. I don't have any... Let's use my e.l.f. like to just prime. To prime all that. So done. And then let's go into this palette that is awesome. I really like, I'm like really going for like subtle, but let's just do the El Melecon. I'm gonna get a mirror because that would be very helpful in doing eyebrow. So I got, the first one is La Costa right there, and I put it on my eye, like all over. Really shimmery. I love it. Okay, so now we have like a base, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's really shimmery. And then I'm gonna use my other one, which is a little flatter, to pack up color. And I'm thinking of going with like the Celia one. I like that one. Whoa. Both of them together actually turn the Celia, which is like aquamarine, into more like of a green color. I like it. And I have Miss Leia here with me. Hi, Leia, yes. She came to ask me if I could pick her up. So I'm still packing the same color. Really pretty. Like I want to go out. Like this is like a color to go dancing or something. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the cafecito at the edges. Give it a touch of brown at the end, like smooched it. And then the last thing, yes, I'm cleaning it on my hand. The last thing, I'm gonna get La Costa, which is that one that I started with. I'm gonna put it here to illuminate the eye. In here. Okay, and since I don't have any mascara that came with this, I'm going to use my own mascara. Hopefully I have one, yeah. This one is the Wonderland. Just a little. It's not like I have anything important to do right now. It's so tedious to take mascara off. Certain mascaras like leave you like a coat on your eyelashes and then they never seem to go away. And then I did get an eyeliner. That way. We fixed it. And we got an eyeliner, and this one is brown, and I'm gonna use it on my waterline, my lower waterline. It's nice, but not as I was expecting. Like sometimes I have, well, I actually have some that's like really nice, very easy. But this one looks really pretty. What do you think up to now? I do have the Luxie brushes that I actually want to use. I already have like foundation and stuff, but I'm going to do maybe a blush with it. Let's do the e.l.f. This one, what was it? like it goes all over the face. What I did notice, and I had forgotten because I've been blonde before, but is that whenever you're blonde, you need more makeup. Like it shows more of your facial things, like any flaw, it will be show more. But the good thing is that because I've been doing a diet, it has cleared a lot of my skin. Like I have no makeup at all. I have like 2 pimples, so I do see a noticeable change in my skin. But you know, we always fight with 1 pimple. And then I have that one. This is from Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls Blush Natural Pearl, and I'm just gonna add a little bit on my cheeks to make them a little bit rosier. I like rosy cheeks. There we go. On blend. I don't want to be like a tomato either. And let's get some bronzer from e.l.f. And you're gonna be seeing this makeup in other videos because I have a ton to film. You have no idea. And then I really like these brushes. I'm gonna, like, I've been incorporating new brushes to my routine so that, you know, because I have so many brushes, I want to be able to use them as well. Not like, you know, leave them there without being used. So, and then the last step on this will be with the Ofra. I like it brown. I used to love brown. Now not so much. The older I get, I don't like brown as much. My lips at least. It does smell really good. So let's see. I like the feeling of it. It's really smooth. So what do you think about this look? I like the color of the eyeshadows. The lips, it's okay. I like it. I wouldn't wear the lipstick with the blue green shadow, but I know that my husband is gonna like the brown just because it's very subtle and it's not like, but the eyes, I told him the other day, I'm like, you don't like that, but I do like it, so how are we gonna compromise? But yes, I have a lot and I have to wear it, right, someday, and I better wear it when I'm with him. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and you like the opening the box, and I will see you guys later. Bye, have a good day.